wait, don't skip this. Let me ask you something honestly. You understand English, right? You watch videos, you learn vocabulary, maybe even grammar. But when someone asks you a simple question like, "What do you do in the morning?" you freeze.
And suddenly, your mind goes blank. You know the answer in your own language, but in English, nothing comes out.
If that's you, then trust me, you're not alone.
And more importantly, you're about to fix that today.
Because in this video, we're not just teaching words. We're going to live a real conversation together.
By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your morning routine clearly, naturally, and confidently.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learning English Channel, where English becomes part of your real life.
And today, we're starting something exciting. A brand new series. English in Daily Life. Real conversations for real situations.
So if you really want to speak English, not just understand it,
make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss these powerful lessons.
Ready?
Let's dive in.
Okay, Charlie. Let's be honest. Are you a morning person?
Short answer? No. Long answer? Still no.
Haha, same here. Mornings and we're not best friends.
Let me guess. Your alarm rings and you ignore it?
Not ignore. I negotiate with it. Just 5 more minutes.
Exactly. That 5 minutes turns into 20 minutes.
Every single time.
So, realistically, my alarm goes off at 7 a.m.
Same here.
And the first thing I do is hit the snooze button.
Let's teach that phrase. I hit the snooze button. It means you delay your alarm.
Good one. After that, I finally get out of bed.
I get out of bed. Simple. But very important sentence. Okay, serious question. What's the first thing you do after waking up?
Honestly, I check my phone.
Same. And we both know it's a bad habit.
Yeah, but we still do it.
For me, I'm trying to change that. Now I drink a glass of water first.
That's actually a great habit. I drink a glass of water. After that, I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
Sometimes I take a quick shower in the morning.
Same here. It helps you feel fresh.
Exactly. It wakes you up properly.
All right. Important debate. Tea or coffee?
Coffee. No question.
I knew you'd say that.
I literally cannot function without coffee.
I prefer tea. It's calmer.
Coffee people are more productive.
Tea people are more peaceful.
Do you always eat breakfast?
I try to. Sometimes I'm too busy. But I know it's important.
Same here.
My usual breakfast is toast and eggs, oatmeal, sometimes fruit,
Mine is simple.
cereal.
Toast. Or sometimes nothing.
That's not good.
After breakfast, I check my emails.
I check my emails.
Then I make a to-do list.
I plan my day
This helps me stay organized.
and reduces stress. Some people exercise in the morning.
Yeah, like running, gym, yoga.
I go for a run. I do yoga,
Others prefer quiet time.
like reading or meditation.
Let's talk about students.
They usually wake up, get ready, go to school.
University students are different.
They have flexible schedules. Let's do a full cafe role play.
Good morning.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
I'd like a latte, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, I'll have a sandwich.
For here or to go?
To go, please, and
That'll be $5.
here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Now pause the video and say this out loud. I wake up at... I drink. I eat.
Practice is everything.
Here's how to improve faster. Speak daily. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Use simple sentences.
Confidence comes with practice.
Now it's your turn. Describe your morning routine in the comments.
Even 3 to 4 sentences are enough,
We will read your comments.
and maybe reply too.
If this video helped you, like, share,
And most importantly,
subscribe, and press the bell icon.
so you never miss a lesson.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.